we can use our fraction strips in Pearson by going to Math Tools, clicking on Fractions, and then going to Fraction Strips. So the first thing we can look at is the whole. Imagine this as one whole Hershey bar that's in the wrapper, not touched. One whole Hershey bar. Well, we can count more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can keep counting whole Hershey bars. Well, what if you have more than 4 friends, so you don't have enough Hershey bars to give to every single friend? So what you'll need to do is break apart the Hershey bars into equal pieces. So let's pretend that we wanted to break apart our whole into 3 equal pieces. Well, we know with fractions that all the pieces have to be equal. All the small pieces, the parts of the whole, have to be equal. So that means all of our Hershey bars are now going to get split into 3 equal pieces. We know that our denominator, 3, because each whole is broken into 3 equal pieces. This whole was broken into 3 equal pieces. When we talk about fractions, we're looking, what's our whole? 1 whole Hershey bar, and how many pieces was that broken into? So we can say each Hershey bar was broken into 3 equal pieces. This has thirds, this Hershey bar has thirds, this Hershey bar has thirds, and this Hershey bar has thirds. Now we just have to count them. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. And we can just keep counting on. 4/3, 5/3, 6/3, 7/3, 8/3, 9/3, 10/3, 11/3, 12/3. So all together, all these little pieces, there's 12 versions of that 1/3 copy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 copies of that 1/3 unit fraction, or 12 thirds. We can look at this on a number line also. So for our purposes today, we're going to look between 0 and 1, and we can have fractions and name fractions beyond 1. And we're only going to go to 2 for today's video, but you could go further. From 0 to 1 is 1 Hershey bar. From 1 to 2 is another Hershey bar, so we're going to talk about just 2 Hershey bars for today. Let's stick with our thirds example. 1/3 of the Hershey bar on my number line. 2/3, 3/3. I can now go over 1. 4/3, 5/3, 6/3. So we know from 0 to the end of this tile is 1/3. Now we have 1/3, 2/3. From here to this tick mark is 1/3, 2/3. Now here is 1 whole, or 3/3, 4/3, 1, 2, 3, 4/3, 5/3, and right here would be 6/3, which is equivalent to that whole number 2. Let's try another one. What if it said that you had your 2 wholes and your whole was getting broken into 6, and it said that you need 9/6? And where would that be on your number line? 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6. And I need to keep going. 7/6, 8/6, 9/6. So I would say on my number line about here is 9/6. You can use these to help you count how many pieces were used out of what was your whole. How many pieces was your whole one of these cut into? Use your fraction strips to help you with this lesson.